Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. We are from PayPlic, a team called PayPlic. For this XDC DApp Summer Hackathon, we have created a crypto to crypto gateway project. Okay, basically what it does, it acts as a bridge between two blockchain. For instance, a USDT holder in Ethereum blockchain can purchase token from XDC ecosystem. So basically, any EVM compatible blockchain can be integrated here, but of course, the Oracle will be plugin PLI. So what it does, a token founders can sign up their ERC20 wallet and get an API key. So once they have an API key, they can decide, through which payment mode they wanted to sell their tokens. It can be any USDT or USDC or DAI, any stable coins. Okay, and they should be able to deposit their funds in XRC20 payment gateway contract. And once all set and they have a widget in their own website, a user should be able to purchase using the stable coin and get the relevant XDC ecosystem token. How we built it? We have configured ERC20 gateway contract and XRC20 gateway contract. Along with, we are using plugin decentralized Oracle for bridge, and of course adapter for pull the pricing and then customized it for the plugin Oracle. Challenges we ran into initially, we found cross chain connectivity is a major issue, when it comes to listening to the event and so on. But we were able to accomplish that. And, okay, bridge has been enabled between the blockchain. Now this can be taken to any EVM compatible blockchains. What we learned, of course, integration. That is most complex stuff which we have done. And what is next? We wanted to build a nice user interface, create as a widget so that any merchant can sign up and then uh, make use of it in just few clicks. That's an idea. It's built with React, Bootstrap, CSS, Web3, XDC3, Solidity language, ERC20, XR20 standards has been followed. Plugin, PLI has been used for Oracleization, and adapter, XDC Pay for uh, uh, XDC Network wallet, and MetaMask is for Ethereum wallet, and so on. Of course, we are using Audit as a development platform. Okay, so with that, I'll just move on. I'll show you the backend first. So in the backend, what happens, we have a backend API which is built in React, okay, Express.js, Node.js, and we have a contract wherein we have XRC20 gateway and then ERC20 gateway listed here, the two contracts. Okay, and we have a external adapter which actually help them to customize their pricing. Okay, and we have XRC server which will listen to the event and then accordingly deposit the token back to the end users. That's an overall idea. Let me walk you through list of APIs we have created. If you look at it, we have a registered merchant and a fetch API key. This is basically for the merchants. Merchant can sign up and then they get their API key. Make payment, USDT balance, USDC balance, DAI balance, all for end users who wanted to purchase the XRC or XDC ecosystem token by paying the stablecoin. Okay, so merchant earnings is for merchants. Merchant earnings in USDT, all these are for merchants. Accordingly, withdraw earnings for merchant. They can withdraw the earnings at any point in time. There is no limitations. And add supporter tokens, and add support token is basically for administrative purpose. Admin team can decide which token to support and so on. Approve token, deposit token, basically for merchant who should fund the token into the contract. Okay, these are the API which we have built. So let me quickly show the demo how it works. So as soon as user make the payment, let's say I already connected to the MetaMask, I make a payment in DAI now because DAI has been fixed here for this demo purpose. The moment I make a payment in DAI, it triggers the transaction first and then one more transaction for depositing the token. Let's wait for the transaction to complete. Once it is done, it will trigger another transaction. Okay, and then we have to confirm it. As soon as it is done, you can go back and check the backend. Okay, it will trigger an event by listening to this Oracle, and then accordingly will initiate the XRC or XDC token back to the user. Okay, you can see it is the changes happening here, occurring here. Accordingly, it is here, right? So it is showing that 14.40 PLI has been sent for one die. So according to the current market price, it calculate and then trigger the token back to the end users. Okay, so that's all about the quick backend demo. What is next? Of course, we wanted to build a nice user interface like this. Okay, so people, I mean, merchant will come here, they can get their API key, they will sign up their information, they will see, they will decide which token to sell, and accordingly they have to register their wallet address and so on. And when they log in, they should be able to see, their own dashboard, what all the activity has been done and how much they have earned so far. They can withdraw and so on. And when they go to API key, they can see what are the API they have registered and how much token they have to deposit, etc. And transaction they can see. And also, and if user, from user standpoint, all they see is this small widget. They choose, what is the payment method they wanted to make. Let's say if they want to say 20 USDC, okay, for which how much PLI they will be getting it, right? For example, if I take PLI 20 USDC, they will get 288.2 PLI, and 1 USDC they'll get 14.41 PLI as per the current market price. The moment they click continue, it will trigger the event behind the scene, and then they see the success message. From user standpoint, it's as simple as it is, and from merchant standpoint, they have to just register and get the API key ready. That's all about this PayPlic project. Uh, Thanks for listening, and if any questions, please shoot in the comments.